Now, this is the 8th problem of this study guide for IA2. So, in this 8th problem, what is he giving us? He is giving ABC coordinates. He is asking us to sketch. So, we have to sketch its graph. And the same axis, again, we have to graph and also state the coordinates of this A prime, single prime, B single prime, C single prime. That is a reflection along the line y is equal to x. And finally, we have to graph A double prime, B double prime and C double prime. That is the image obtained after translating t -4 positive 3. For that, what I do, first I locate these points on the graph paper. So A43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is the position of A. And then B, 4, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. This is the position of B. And then C, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the position of C. So if you join using ruler, you will get ABC triangle like this. And then you have to join BA. Sorry, I redo this figure again like this, and then like this. So this is the original triangle ABC. Now we have to reflect along the y is equal to x-axis. So I can do the easy way. For y is equal to x means I have to flip the coordinates. So A is 4, 3. So A single prime. For 4, 3 I have to flip. That's it. 3, 4. And B single prime. So 4, -2. If when I flip it, -2, positive 4. C 2, 3. So C single prime. 2, 3. When I flip, 3, 2. You should not write any negative sign because this is y is equal to x. They just flips. That's it. And next, so you locate these coordinates on the graph paper. So 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a single prime. And then -2, 4. -1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is B single prime. And then 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is C single prime. So when you join these points, you will get the graph like this. So join this point with this like this, and then you have to join these two like this. So again we have next we have to translate -4, 3, the image of this red image, so that we'll get the new position of this one. So how do I do that? Translate -4, 3. So either you directly do with the coordinates method, or you use graph and then you write the coordinates. In any way you can do. So let me do the graph method only. So for this B single prime, -4 means you have to go left side 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 means you have to go up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. This is the new position of this B single prime. So B double prime. And then I am going for A. So -4. That means I had to go down. I had to go left 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. This is the new position of A single prime. That is A double prime. And then 3, 2. Where is this C single prime? Here. So go left side 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3 steps up like this. This is the new position of the C. So C double prime. Now if you join this, you will get the new position of this.